Hey folks, it's Nessa here on Infinitely Zero's channel. Wanted to come and show you a small Herrschners order that I did last week. I swear it was before Sunday, before all the big yarn order came. Wanted to say hi and welcome and thank you to my returning watchers and subscribers. Welcome to all my new watchers and subscribers. Thanks so much, and thank you so much to my members, and thank you for your continued support. And if you like the content on my channel, please click like and subscribe. Very quick update. I did hear back from Yarn Inspirations today concerning the color mystery box yarn order that I had done, the second one I had placed, which actually I did a live stream on Sunday. So I'll put a link to that on the top here, so you may want to check that out and see that, where I did a live unboxing. I ended up getting 4 times more than what I had ordered. So I know I have a yarn problem, but my yarn problem is not that bad. So yeah, it turns out that it had shown the status for mystery box number 1 that would be sent later on, right? That they were preparing to package it, but I guess, you know, with everything going on, that got sold out. So today they actually emailed me and they gave me a refund for that mystery box not being sent. And then they also responded to the email that I sent them on Monday asking, hey, how would you like me to proceed with this? Do I need to ship this back? You know, this is what happened, all the extra yarn that I had gotten. I was feeling pretty anxious about all that and having that sitting here, and then anyway, so they responded back very nicely and they apologized. They said they were sorry for the inconvenience. They said I can keep the yarn at no extra cost. That's what they said to me. I don't know what other people's situations are. And they said it was an internal processing error. So but that the error is currently fixed now. And I did look back on their website today, and it looks like they are sold out of all those color mystery boxes. So yeah. So it'll be curious to see who else gets larger orders or not. So I was looking at Crystal Bag O' Day Crochet's yarn milling video when she was unboxing some of that, and she had mentioned that she had seen some Hodge Podge yarn pack as well as a trick-or-treat yarn bag. So they have for both of those, for the Hodge Podge, they have a Hodge Podge yarn pack 1 and a Hodge Podge yarn pack 2. I think they were like maybe $16.99 each pack, but if you decided to get the combo, which is their Hodge Podge yarn pack 1 and 2, it came out cheaper, and that I think was $24.39. So I wanted to get it because I wanted to see some of the other yarns that they offer of the Herrschners brand line. So especially more novelty different yarns. And in the trick-or-treat yarn grab bag, they have a yarn grab bag 1 and 2. I think one was like $16.99, or they were both that price each, or $19.99, I don't remember. And then if you bought the combo, which was yarn pack 1 and 2, that was actually $29.98 for that combined trick-or-treat yarn grab bag 1 and 2, which is Halloween themed, and I love Halloween, so I wanted to get it. Pretty much what you see in the picture on Herrschners for this item is what you're getting in the grab bag or that yarn, or that Hodge Podge yarn pack. So they also had, which I thought was pretty cool, they had a Lively Lash palette combination of different like novelty yarns, which are these, which are Sundance Lively Lash, and it came with a set of boy hooks of 3 H, I, and J. These are the metal hooks, and that pack was $7.49. And they had another one that was their other fantasy sort of furry yarn, which I think is some of these, and it was also like $7 or $10. I was gonna get that, but I didn't. which I honestly think that I would probably like that sparkle one a lot more than this other one. Okay, so back to this. What I was talking about and then got sidetracked. So the trick or treat grab bag 1 and grab bag 2 are, this is what I got for both of them, okay? So, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balls of yarn in here, okay? This is their Frilly Celebration Sundance yarn. They have a Herrschners holiday yarn, looks like a thinner chenille. I'm gonna try to open this up in a second if I don't end up breaking the bag. This is their 2-ply Afghan yarn, which I've shown a lot on the channel. Their papaya colorway is that nice orange. Here's a sparkle and shine. It's a green, it's a number 2 fine weight, and this one is their Department 71 whimsical yarn. And that one is colorway pumpkin patch. So let's see if I can open this and not destroy the bag. And sorry for the crinkles. Oh man, it's gonna tear the bag. I didn't want to mess up. I wanted to reuse the bag. I mean, I don't think you guys need me to go over what's in all of these because it's see-through. This number 5 yarn here is, what is that? It's called Sundance Wonder. And that's a bulky number 5 yarn, but that's like a wool blend. 77% acrylic, 18% nylon, 5% wool. So there's wool in this pack for those folks who have a wool allergy. This Department 71 whimsical. It says it's made in China, hand washed, lay flat to dry. I can't read what the. Okay, that's 54% acrylic, 38% polyester, and 8% nylon. And I'm pretty sure this is some sort of, this green one is 100% polyamide. So yeah. And the chenille is probably some sort of like polyester, and that's probably acrylic. So just so you know. So yeah, there is wool in this bag. I really don't want to rip it. And then the second one, so there's one yarn pack that has scrubby yarn. This is the scrubby yarn. It's a number 4 weight. It's suds and scrub yarn. So this one, Let's Get Cozy Chenille Appeal from Lion Brand, which I've never seen. It's like colorway onyx. It's a, I can't see the, it's categorized a number 4 weight yarn. This black one. It's like 284 yards or 260 meters. This purple ball down here is also whimsical from the Department 71. And this here is Department 71 Sparkle Leash, which is like a nice pretty novelty yarn. Let's see if I can at least get that one out. Nope. See, they put it and it's like really strong tape, so then when you open it, you tear the bag. This one almost looks like it would be scrubby yarn. Sparkle and shine, I don't know. Curiosity is killing me. And then this is the same, their Afghan 2-ply yarn in green. This colorway is called True Green. And this orange yarn is their Velvet Herrschners. I've never had that. Micro polyester 100%, and it's a 4 weight yarn. It looks thinner than a 4 though. And it's 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, or 185 yards, or 170 meters. Made in Turkey. Machine wash and dry. Looks soft. This one's really, those are really nice. I've read those before. I've shown them here on the channel before. And those are a lot of yardage. It's like 544 yards, I think. Sorry, 558 yards or 511 meters. Maybe I can just open it and then retape it later. Yeah! So yeah, that's definitely scrubby yarn. This is soft. It's like, kind of feels weird, and that's soft too. So. Okay. That's that. And I will have to resume this later.